Good day, everyone. Today's video is going to be on how to highlight and select your blank cells and then fill them with information that you have, say, above it. So the example here is actually from a data set from Chattanooga where I sliced this out so you couldn't see all the other data just given what it's on. But you can see at the top that we have a column that has the gun number. This is actually linked to multiple incidents in that, but we're missing the gun number under each one. So you can see here 3 and 4 are truly connected to that same gun 160001, but does not have a value here. And if we scroll down, this goes throughout just about 2100 rows. We have that same issue over and over. So you could technically go down and do a copy and paste. You can do the green box, but you can see there's some issues there. There's a lot easier way to get this done for you just through a couple clicks itself. So I'm going to first click and highlight just column A, because this is the only column that I'm interested to highlight blanks in. I'm in our home ribbon tab up here. I'm going to come over to the find and select, go to special, and here I just want to select our blank cells. So once I do that, you can see now through on the left-hand column here, we can see only blank cells are highlighted. I'm going to hit F2, and this opens up the formula bar for me. So I want this cell here that I'm in A3 to actually equal A2. So it pulls that for me. Before you hit enter, since you want this to be done repetitively downwards and just grab the value there, and it's skipping over the ones that actually have a value, so we're okay there. Hit Control and hold it down, enter, and now it's going to flash fill that downwards and copy that same formula down for it. So it's just copying the one above it. Since we only highlighted the blank ones, it's going to grab those actual values for us and skip over that one, so we're not changing those at the same time. So as I scroll down, you can see we have our repetitive values, our gun number, showing up over and over again, reflecting what we want our data set to have in it, so we can take these out and do other types of analyses with them, or just do a quick sum of how many times were a firearm used in multiple incidents and just do a general count that way. Super short, quick video. Good luck, Rick, with this now, but until next time, take care.